Guys, some of you may wonder what a bad wheel bearing sounds like. Well, you can hear it inside the car, but spinning the wheel here, you can hear it's pretty loud. There's a metallic grinding noise, and then what it looks like when that wheel actually moves back and forth, the whole thing, it's actually the whole hub and everything moving together. So we're gonna get this all apart and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. So I was going to show you guys what that hub and bearing look like off the car now. You can see the one that had a lot of movement in it. It goes in and out there. It shouldn't really have any kind of movement whatsoever. So that one was pretty bad. Made a lot of noise also.